everybody, today is October 22nd, 2021, and as always, welcome back to South Dakota. If you hadn't figured it out already, we are done with harvest, so I don't have a whole lot to post for you guys. I'm going to try to stick to the weekly update schedule. We'll see if Rain has anything to say about that, but today I'm out at a different farm operation here. I'm with my roommate Jonah, and Jonah, what are we doing today?
So we're out harvesting corn today, Ross. Just got loaded here, got a full truckload. We're up at our north farm here. Corn's coming in about 16%, so decided not to haul it into town, although it definitely could, but we're taking it back to our bin site and testing out our new to us unload auger for the semi here. It's a drive over.
So you guys have already seen that. I put it in at the beginning of the video, but Jonah's full, so I think he's gonna head back to the farm.
Yep.
And then I'm gonna go get the drone out because they're gonna finish up for the day by filling the cart in the combine, so I gotta get going. Jonah's gotta get going, so we're gonna get right to it. I guess without further ado, let's get going. Well, the combine and grain cart are parked up for the night. Jonah's farm is done for tonight, so it's time for me to head out as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely had fun making it. Unfortunately, I didn't have a whole lot of time on my hands. It's just how it worked out this time. Hopefully in the future I can get more videos of Jonah's farm harvesting, and I'm definitely planning to go to other farms this fall as well, as long as the rain cooperates. So we'll have to see how that goes. But until then, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video.